Welcome to the Vue.js beginner tutorial series. If you want to become a front-end developer, Vue.js is one of the easiest ways to build modern web applications. But before you start learning it, you need to understand what it actually is. In this video, we're going to understand what Vue.js is, why developers use it, and what you need to know before learning it. Vue.js is a JavaScript framework you use for building user interfaces. It helps you turn static websites into interactive applications. Instead of manually updating HTML with JavaScript, Vue automatically updates the screen when your data changes. Think of Vue as a bridge between your data and your website. You change the data, and Vue updates everything for you. Vue is used for single-page applications, dashboards, admin panels, e-commerce websites, and interactive UI components. Before learning Vue, you should be comfortable with JavaScript basics. You don't need to be an expert, but you should understand variables, functions, arrays and objects, and basic DOM manipulation. If you're not comfortable with JavaScript yet, I recommend learning that first, because Vue is built on top of it. In the next video, I'll show you how to install Node.js so you can start building Vue applications.